Welcome to Plumb Works Academy, where we teach you the home plumbing basics that your granddad knew.
Hi, I'm Kim with Plumb Works, and this is Plumb Works Academy. Today we'll be going over two common issues that cause your disposal to stop working, the first being a trip breaker, and the second being the motor seized up. When working on a disposal, you should always start by shutting off the power to the breaker and never sticking your hand down the drain. There's two easy ways to know which issue you have with your disposal. They both come from turning the switch on. If you turn the switch on and hear nothing, most likely you have a trip breaker. But if you hear a small hum from the disposal itself, you probably got jammed blades inside the disposal. We'll start with the trip breaker. It's a pretty easy fix. You just go underneath the disposal and click the red button back in, and operation to your disposal should return. Let's go ahead and start with the trip breaker first. What we have here today is just a standard garbage disposal, which you can find under most kitchen sinks. And I'll go ahead and show you how to work the trip button. Basically what happens is too much food or any kind of debris gets put into the disposal, causing the circuit to overload itself and tripping. A simple push of the button resets it, and you should return back to normal operation. And after pushing this button, it should reset the breaker, but I'll go ahead and show you how it actually looks underneath the sink. Here we have a disposal under the sink with the trip breaker. I'm gonna just reach down here and find the red button I was showing you earlier. It should be protruding from the base, but once you flip it back on, press it, should be good to go. If you hit the switch to your disposal and you're still hearing a loud hum, but the motor is not spinning or draining, I would shut the power back off because you're probably gonna have to break the blades free manually. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this on our demo model. Most disposals should come with a disposal wrench. However, if you don't have the proper tool, you can use the Allen key of the same size as long as you have the necessary clearance. Depending on how bad the clog is, you may feel more or less tension, but just work it back and forth until you can spin it freely. Once you do that, you know it's cleared, remove the tool, turn the power back on, and it should operate like normal. These are the two most common issues we find with disposals. But if neither one of those resolves your issue, you may have another blockage further down the line, or the disposal itself may be bad. I recommend at that point calling a professional for further maintenance.
Raise your plungers with pride. Adulting achievement unlocked.